can you tell me the pens rule?
Private are private.
Yes. इसका मतलब?
That means your private part.
हाँ. They have to be private. Nobody should be see or touch them.
Allowed or able to see them.
Yes. और पेंटाथोरस क्या बोलता है? If somebody wants to touch your private part, what should you say?
He goes like, if someone wants to see your private part, say no.
Yes. Okay.
And
Now.
the intro is always pants.
Yes. Yes. And what does A stands for?
Always remember your body belongs to you.
Yes. So nobody is allowed to do anything with your body जिसमें आप comfortable नहीं हो. Okay? What does N stands for?
That means no.
Yes. इसका मतलब?
It means that when you say no in relation to your private body, then that means you don't want them to do that.
Yes, and it applies to you as well. If somebody is saying no to you in relation to their body, you also need to stay back and don't do that. And if you say anybody no, then
Sky.
yes, then they should also stay back. Okay. Now PANT. What does T stands for?
Talk about secrets that upset you.
Yes. उसका मतलब?
There's 3 meanings of that. Number 1, talk about secrets that upset you, aka tell a trusted adult, aka tell an adult.
Yes. So trusted adult कौन है आपके?
Family and teacher.
Yes, so ऐसी कोई भी बात, कोई भी सीक्रेट जो आपको अपसेट करती है, अनकंफर्टेबल करती है या कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है, तो यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. एंड नाउ लास्ट S. व्हाट डज S स्टैंड्स फॉर?
Speak up, someone can help.
Yes, उसका मतलब?
If you speak up, a trusted adult will come to help you.
Yes, so जब आप मम्मा को, डैडी को, टीचर को अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताओगे या सीक्रेट बताओगे, तो दे विल हेल्प यू. ओके, नाउ यू विल रिमेंबर PANT S. Yes, so that's a pants rule.